Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the Apex Heat Pro, a device that promises to slash your utility bills and warm your home faster than you can say overpriced plastic. It's marketed as a revolutionary Swedish invention because apparently we're supposed to believe everything from Sweden is a miracle unless it's IKEA furniture that leaves you with 3 mysterious extra screws. While the ads claim it'll turn your living room into a tropical paradise while saving energy, the reality is a bit more chilling. It works fine for a tiny bathroom, but put it in a large room and it struggles harder than a marathon runner in flip-flops. The energy savings are minimal at best, making those bold claims feel like a bit of a stretch. On the bright side, it's compact, portable, and easy to use, which are all polite ways of saying it's a small box that's easy to move when you realize it isn't working. On the downside, you get a cheap build quality and a fan so noisy you'll think a miniature jet is taking off in your hallway. Many reviews warn that the Apex Heat Pro is just a rebranded budget heater sold through flashy ads and desperate dreams. It's not an outright scam since it does actually produce heat, but it's definitely overhyped. If you want reliable warmth without the dramatic backstory, sticking with trusted brands like Honeywell or Dyson is a much safer bet. And that wraps up our Apex Heat Pro review. Stay warm, and maybe keep your expectations in the freezer.